everybody, and today, or this week's skit is scary. This is my first episode for Nonstop Party Girls, and so let's get to my scary skit for this week. Hello? Who is this? They just hung up on me. That was weird. My mom gave me this for my birthday. My mom gave me this for my birthday, and she said it could trap any ghost in your power of your hand. I've never tried it yet because I didn't believe her, but I think it's gonna work this time. I think there's a ghost. What a ripoff. Hey. It's glowing. I need to put this somewhere. My mom gave me this ghost capture. No way. It's the ghost of my dad. Or my dad's dad. Grandpa. No way. This is Grandpa. Wait. But can't believe it. Oh. Get off me. Why is my neck? There's blood. This isn't good. Usually the cockroach is not a good decision. But I'm out of here. I'm scared. I'll see his problem. You're next. Why is there blood all over me? And why am I in bed sleeping? Why did I go to sleep? Why is there blood in it? And on my fingers. Ew. I don't know. That was kind of weird. How come I don't remember what just happened like 5 minutes ago? Well, whatever happened, I think I'm fine. Helicopter. 1 minute. A helicopter? It sounds like... Uh-oh. Zombie apocalypse. They caught a zombie. That's the army plane for zombies. Uh-oh. I don't see why. Who cares? And why is my hair all messed up? There we go. Okay, everybody, so I left some time in for the video, because it's going to take me 3 minutes to do this. Anyways, we are doing shout-outs just like all these 7 perfect angel stuff. We're non-stop party girls, so we're actually different. The shout-outs are actually going to go in very slow so you can see your name. We'll put the shout-outs on an editor, so it may take longer for each weekend. But this is this week's, and tell us what year the most scariest thing happened to you. And yeah, well, that's it. And we will see you next week. Make sure you check to see your shout out in next week's video. Bye!